Today the grand opening for Haven Express food truck. Tap in.
Celebrate. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here.
This ain't no ASMR, I will take a bite, man.
Let's all celebrate and have a good time.
Lemon pepper wings, man. A little sauce on there. Not the dry ones, the wet ones. I think you can get dry though. And yeah, sauce and fries going, yeah.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break.
It was great. Really
Worth
good.
the wait, worth the wait.
Worth the wait. Worth the wait.
If you feel like a room without a roof, clap along if you feel like happiness.
We're gonna be open Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Catch us on Monday at Jim's Rib Haven food truck.
Make sure
Thanks
you
for
follow
everybody.
us on Facebook.
Haven Express.
Rib Haven got a Facebook page too. Jim's Rib Haven.
And then follow Jim's Rib Haven as well. Been in business for over 30-something years.
And in Illinois,
And thanks for everybody who came in and supported us, man. Shout out to the community.